All right, this is an easy one. Determine if the set of points is a function. I tell my students, x's can't repeat. If it's going to be a function, x's can't repeat. Now, you could have the question of, is it linear or nonlinear? Set that aside right now. We're not answering that question. We're just saying, look, we got these x's, we got these y's, we're making points, okay? Do they make a function? And if they make a function, then good for you. You just mark it, okay? And x's can't repeat in that case. So if they don't break that rule, if x is repeating, we're good to go. So literally just go through really quickly and look at your x's. 3, -3, -6, -4, right? Because these are your x's, these are your y's. Did we have any x's repeat? We sure did not. So we're good there. What about 0, 7, 6, 9? Nope, no repetition. We're good there. -1, -6, -5, -1. There was repeating there. So that broke the rule. That one cannot be the function. -2, 3, -9, -3. No repeating there. So the only one that, even if you're confused by the way they word their questions sometimes, like which one is not a function instead of which one is, okay, you can quickly find the one that doesn't belong. So that one's pretty fast. So just look for x's repeating, and they show you that as well as they're going through those examples. All right, real fast here. 9, -1, -3, -1, boom, they repeat it. So these guys broke our rule and cannot be a function. But now the question's different. It's saying which one is a function. So 3 of them are going to break our rule and 1 of them's not. Okay, -7, 7, 1, 4. That one didn't break our rule. -8, -8, 0, 5. -8's broke our rule. X's aren't supposed to repeat if it's a function. -9, 2, -9, 0. -9's broke our rule. So this one's the good boy, okay? Good job, you're a function. You can also remember the vertical line test. If you have 2 dots that are vertically on top of each other at all on the graph, it cannot be a function. And if you want to think about that with like a real world example, imagine that you're running a race, okay? You're measuring the distance, or sorry, the time is ticking by on our y-axis. Actually, maybe I should go like this. I don't know which way my recording is, but time ticks by on our x-axis, and then our y-axis for measuring distance. So that's like saying, hey, after I was running for like 3 minutes, I was at this place on my my cross-country race path or whatever. And then I was also at this place. I was 2 miles in, because I'm so fast, or 3 miles in, right? You cannot be in one time, you cannot be 2 different places at once. So you cannot have 2 different results at the same time for plugging in one thing. Now you can repeat X, you can repeat Y's, but you cannot repeat X's. So that's something to remember depending on how they ask you that question about if it is a function or not.